Marathon. In north-central Wisconsin. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marathon County, northwestern Menominee County, southwestern Langlade County, western Shawano County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Dutch Corners to 10 miles east of Wausau to near Weston, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Antigo around 4:40 p.m. Neopet around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Anawa, Ringgold, Glendon, Shepley, Lake Nocien, Elmhurst, Mattoon, Phlox, Nutterville, and Upper Base Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Langlade, Marathon, Menominee, and Shawano. The following is a